Greetings, everyone. Thank you for tuning in today. I want to jump straight into it because I'm really excited about the shoes that we're going to be reviewing. I've had a good amount of people message me and ask me about bringing more Nikes to the channel. And trust me, I definitely want to get more Nike reviews done. I just never have luck on the sneakers app for Nikes that I actually want. But I'm big on time travel, so I decided to go back to May 2021, just a few months ago, and pick up a pair that I wish I could have got my hands on. Today, we'll be looking at the Comme des Garçons Homme Plus Nike Air Carnivore White. Don't these have an oddly futuristic yet retro look to them? I have to say that this seemingly random sneaker purchase was heavily influenced by one of my sneaker inspirations, Anna from Soul Savvy. She's been making these look so dope that I had to revisit the possibility of actually owning a pair. But let's dive in and check out the features of the Comme des Garçons Homme Plus Nike Air Carnivore White. Maybe the first thing that jumps out to you when you look at this silhouette is the heavy reliance of straps. It looks like a pair of ankle braces and a pair of reflective ankle braces in low light. That's right, the straps on this sneaker are reflective, which kind of brings it to another level. Up above the mesh toe and the silky smooth pull down tab, you have this midsection strap keeping your foot nice and firm. And along that strap it reads Nike in white. The whole shoe is white. But I do like when Nike actually has their name written out on certain sneakers. It gives that old school feel kind of, but it has to be on the right shoes, but it definitely makes it kind of feel more retro. Like if you look at the build for the Air Carnivore, it has a very similar look to the original high top Air Huarache, which is one of my favorite trainers. But anyway, you have more strap action going on at the ankle of the Air Carnivore with this neoprene booty contraption, but that strap is there so that you can really secure your ankle inside the sneaker. And if we head over to the lateral side of the sneaker, you have yet another strap slash buckle. This one is vertical and it provides a little more stability for that booty. The nature of the Nike Air Carnivore makes this a really interesting collaboration because Comme des Garçons was able to market this sneaker like a high-end fashion shoe. And speaking of Comme des Garçons, you do get to see a little bit of that branding right at the rear of the sneaker printed in black. Something else that really drew me to this sneaker were these little spots of exposure. There's an opening right under that ankle strap at the front of the shoe, also a little hole right here on the lateral side, and also a little exposure at the rear of the shoe underneath that pull tab. And that pull tab looks a bit Jordan 4-ish. But I like these openings on the shoe because it gives you the opportunity to show off your coolest pairs of socks. I'm always a fan of shoes that don't need all of the spotlight, all the glitz and glam, and they provide a little opportunity for your socks to shine. The midsole of the Air Carnivore really provides that retro Nike trainer feel. Of course it's all white and you can see those grooves in detail all around the sole. Flipping over to the outsole, you have these little iceberg-like chunks in the traction design. And at the rear of the outsole, you have another instance of Nike being written out. Alright, now we've seen the Comme des Garçons Homme Plus Nike Air Carnivore White, but let's slap these on foot and see what they look like.
Yeah. Hit and recline, press and decline. Yeah, I moved on, but it's still on my mind. Back in the dashi, I don't have to hide. Man's just gonna bite if you give him a line. Too salty, sweeter man saucy. Switched up the accent, shawty. She can't get off me. Pillow talk, gossip. All of those thoughts she leak. How you get the middleman mad? He gon' send his boss on me. Doubled up the cost on me. Ice drip frost on me. You was finding all my old styles. That was never lost on me.
Must say I don't love the way that the shoe looks on foot when you're looking directly down at it, but maybe you just need to have the right pair of pants to hit these perfectly. In terms of sizing though, the fit is great. I went true to size and grabbed a US 11 in these. My foot fills the length of the shoe, but then the toe box is a little wide, so I have some extra room in there to kind of wiggle my toes around. I think you should be perfectly fine going true to size with the Air Carnivore, but if you do have a wider foot, maybe going up a half size is the way to go. But yeah, I really like these. I think I'll definitely be putting some miles on them. Thank you guys for taking this journey in the time machine with me. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up a pair of the Comme des Garçons Homme Plus Nike Air Carnivore in white or in black, or if you're considering getting it for resale like I did. The price was in the 500s initially when I started growing interest in this pair, and now they're going for about 200, give or take, depending on your size. So if you're interested in this shoe, you are saving a pretty big penny. But yeah, always a pleasure chatting shoes with you guys. If you haven't done so yet, remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment what carnivores eat. Alright, see you guys on the next one. Peace!